Welcome guys, I am Aswan from Tata Global. I think you may have heard about most affordable EV in India, Tata Tiago EV. The front profile of the Tata Tiago EV comes with a simple, modern and cute design. We get a closed grille for this EV. .EV badging is the signature element of Tata EVs. Tata Motors is the largest EV car manufacturer in India. We get high beam halogen and low beam projector headlamps, silver treatment on top. At bottom we get halogen fog lamps, LED DRLs, lot of tri-aero pattern is embedded on the front bumper. The lower lip of the front bumper is sharp and aerodynamic in design. Two cuts are there on either side of the front bonnet. Moving to the side, it's a 14-inch hyper style wheel with a tire profile of 175 by 65 by R14. And I am showing the front suspension. Independent lower wishbone McPherson dual path strut front suspension. .EV badging is here. Blackened auto folding RVMs with turn indicators, fold type antenna, contrast roof. The dual tone color looks very nice. We get request sensor on driver side. Body colored door handle with piano black stripe looks nice. And I am showing the available ground clearance for this vehicle. You can see the rear suspension from here. And I am moving to the rearmost end. High mounted stop lamp on top, wiper, washer and defoggers are available. Tiago.EV badging is here, reverse camera is provided and an extra button to open the boot. This is the parcel tray without any string. We get 240 liter of boot capacity. Closing the boot, you can hear the thud sound. The tail lamps are fully halogen unit and I am showing the rear bumper. The rear bumper is sharp in design and I am showing the rear suspension. It's a rear twist beam with coil spring mounted on hydraulic shock absorbers. The rear brakes are drum and the front brakes are disc and I am showing the entire underbody of the Tiago EV. This is the battery pack. The battery pack is placed ahead and behind the rear axle. It's a lithium iron phosphate battery. We get permanent magnet synchronous motor and a 24 kilowatt hour battery pack to drive this top end variant. This top end variant has long range and another option is the medium range variant. The medium range variant comes with 19.2 kilowatt hour battery pack. If you talk about the long range variant, we get 24 kilowatt hour battery pack and we get a power output of 55 kilowatt power. If we convert the 55 kilowatt power into PS, we get 74 PS power and 114 Newton meter of torque. That's enough to drive this vehicle. Some people may ask why this EV is using this 12 volt small battery. This 12 volt small battery is used to run wiper, horn and headlamps, and the main battery is not using to drive this small components because the primary function of the main battery is to drive the vehicle. If the vehicle is turned off, the main battery will be completely isolated for safety. Let's check the interior of the vehicle. Request sensor is added to open the vehicle keyless. Speaker is here. We get 4 speakers and 4 tweeters. Storage space is here. Small storage space. Power window control buttons. One touch up and down function is available only for driver. RVM controls. We get height adjustable driver seat. It's a good quality leatherite material. Proper dead pedal. Small storage space is here. And I'm entering into the Tiago EV. You can hear the thud sound of the door. This platform is rated to 4-star global NCAP crash test. Visibility from the driver seat is good. The window line is low. We get manual dimming IRVM. Vanity mirror is available on co-driver side. No vanity mirror on driver side. And we get microphone on top here. Tweeter on both sides of the A-pillars. Speaker is here. Total we get 4 speaker and 4 tweeters. This is the fully digital instrument cluster. Lot of options are there and I am showing it. Trip, auto, temperature available, battery charge. Drive region level is available on left side. It's a leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel. Piano black finish is here. Cruise control buttons are on right side. Audio control buttons are on left side. It's a hard plastic. The quality is decent for this dashboard. Grab handle on left side. We get a lamp on top. The seats are very comfortable and supportive. We get 7-inch Harman infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. These are the practical physical control buttons. Region reduce button. Region increase button. 4 region modes are available. Fog lamp on off button. Charger disconnect button. Lock unlock button. Boot opening button. We get auto AC for this vehicle. Front and rear defogger buttons are there. USB type A, 12-volt charging socket, decent amount of storage space, rotary selector knob is used to select neutral, drive, sport and reverse. Piano black finish is here. Mechanical handbrake, twin cup holder, another 12-volt charging socket, and I am showing the key of the Tiago EV. We get lock unlock button, boot opening button, follow me headlamp button. Here there is a nice place to keep this premium key. It's a cold glove box, deep compartment on lower part and small compartment on upper part, and I am closing the glove box. For safety, we get dual airbags, ABS, EBD, reverse camera with adaptive guidelines and a tire pressure monitoring system. And I am showing the rear seats. The width of the rear seats are this much. We get 2 fixed headrests. Quality of this material is nice. Visibility from the second row seats are good. The window line is low, and I am showing the legroom from this position. And this is the available headroom. I am showing the reverse camera. The reverse camera comes with adaptive guidelines. Now I am using the reverse camera. This reverse camera with adaptive guidelines are very useful. Rotary knob shifting to drive mode. Let's start. We get decent power delivery in drive mode. If you want more power, you can use the sports mode. In drive mode, the power delivery is linear and smooth. We get decent amount of power in this drive mode. If you are driving in highway, you can choose the sports mode to get better power delivery. You get instant torque of this EV in sports mode. The sports mode is recommended to drive in highways and steep uphills. Now I am driving the long range variant of the Tiago EV. In long range variant, the claimed range is 315 km per full charge. Overtaking is effortless with this EV. In terms of handling, this vehicle is decent. You can select maximum region in downhill. 3 is the maximum region. The region starts from 0, 1, 2 and 3. You can choose maximum region 3 on steep downhill. Now I am driving the vehicle in drive mode, and I am going to shift into sports mode. Now the sports mode activated. The torque delivery is instant in this sports mode. This sports mode gives good amount of power and torque. The delivery of the power and torque is very smooth in highway. The claimed acceleration from 0 to 60 in long range Tiago EV model, it can go from 0 to 60 in just 5.7 seconds. For medium range, this vehicle can reach from 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds. In long range model, we get more power figures. Long range model comes with 74 PS power and 114 Newton meter of torque. The company mentioned 55 kilowatt of power in the brochure. If we convert the 55 kilowatt into PS, we get 74 PS power. Different charging options are available. 15 ampere charger, 3.3 kilowatt wall box charger. We get additional 7.2 kilowatt AC fast charger. The 7.2 kilowatt AC fast charger can charge the long range model with 3.6 hours, and for medium range model it needs only 2.6 hours. We also get DC fast charging. In DC fast charging, both medium range model and long range model require just 58 minutes to charge from 10 to 80% with the DC fast charger. I am taking a U-turn with this Tiago EV. It's a electric power assisted steering wheel with just 5.1 meter of turning radius. It's very effortless to take a U-turn with this vehicle, and I am taking a sharp U-turn in this city traffic. It's very effortless to take a sharp U-turn with this vehicle. I am pressing hard to the accelerator pedal. This vehicle performs very well on sports mode. Thanks to Tata Sree Gokulam Motors for arranging this vehicle. Comment your opinions about this EV on comment box and support me by giving like, share and subscribe. If you want to know more about this vehicle, you can contact the Sree Gokulam Motors. Contact number and address is given on the description box. Thanks for watching my video and support me by giving like, share and subscribe. Thank you.